My dear friends, this is Kyrie from Evangel Industry Shanghai Limited Company. I just arrived at our warehouse near to Shanghai Port. Today, my customers' wheel loaders are ready to ship. Okay, follow my steps. Let's go. This is XCMG LW300FN wheel loader. If you want to buy 3 tons wheel loader, this model is your best choice. From the ground to the top of the cabin, the whole height of this loader is 3,118. The whole weight of this loader is 2,482, and the whole length of this loader is 7,050. LW300FN's bucket is standard bucket. Its bucket capacity is 1.8 cubic meter. If you don't want to buy standard bucket, you can also choose rock bucket or coal bucket. Different buckets suitable for different working conditions. Next, I will show you this engine. This engine is Weichai engine. His rated power is 92 kilowatts. We can also say 125 horsepower. This engine with strong power that can sufficiently provide the power required for heavy load operations. Now let's talk about loader's cabin. Once inside, we will notice the cabin is very spacious, broad visual field, high driving safety and comfort, and the easily accessible operating buttons realize all kinds of operation actions. My dear friends, if you want to buy 3 tons wheel loader, please feel free to contact me. Whatever you want, I can provide them for you. See you next time. Bye bye.